Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to review and unbox Ingco welding machine, and this is inverter, guys. The model number is ING-MMA1305. Let's open up. And this one, guys, is only 130 amps, so I don't need higher amps because I'm going to use it light materials only. So this is the was and the flux remover, a holder. Okay, so here's the cable, electrode cable for the positive and negative. The negative is having a clamp, and this is the electrode holder. Okay, sling, and the unit. There's the unit, guys. Let's open up. Here is it. Welding lens, and welding face shield, and a manual for you to check whatever is written here. Okay, let's assemble the welding face shield. Just put the lens on it and the holder, and you're done. That's it, guys. And let's unwrap the unit, guys, and here is it, what it looks like. And it is a 130 amps only, because I'm only using this for a light materials such as bracket for the AC and cages and etc. And let's assemble, guys. First the positive electrode and the negative electrode, and here is it. Let's power it on. Let's power it on. And those who want to check what is the amp reading produced, so let's take a look, guys. Okay, ampere. And I'm going to turn to number 4. Here is it, guys. And let's try, guys, the number 8. Okay, let's try to cut this one. Okay, guys, that is number 8 for the potentiometer there, and it cuts. Okay, number 8 over there, and okay, it can cut 3/16 size of 3/16 thickness of 2x2 angular bar. And let's try this one. So this is 1/4, guys. Let's join the 1/4. Okay, let's try to join them. And I set it to number 5 only. Okay, I'm going to weld them together. And those who wants to look what the amperage reading is, I just put the plug meter there and take a look by yourself, guys. Okay. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. Okay, look at that. That is flat position, guys. Okay.
Inverter? Transistor lang. Transistor. Transistor? Mukha. Stainless yan? Oo. Kanya ng timer. Okay. Ha? Naka-record dyan. Wala lang apa. Naka-record na to? Oo. Yan na, stop ko.